hear me? Yeah, it is. Okay. Good morning, everyone. My name is Olivia, and my topic for today's KD is process of making high quality social media videos. First thing, we'll be looking to video scripting, which is like the process you actually have to take, the publishing, and then the promotion. So what is video scripts? It's simply a write-up, just something that someone tried to put together to make sure that a video actually goes according to plan. More or less, it's like a sort of content. So how do you actually write an effective video script? This was supposed to be a practical KD, but one thing, sha. So what is the first thing you're supposed to do? You write like just a brief stuff, make it into a message. You actually use a kind of language that your audience would actually understand. So you know the kind of audience that you actually have. Like for, let's say, someone who actually goes into Instagram, what's it called? Is it Instagram shopping or something? Yeah, you actually have a market on Instagram. So you actually know that your customers or your audience are going to be people who are way into classy stuff that actually needs high quality things. So you actually have to make it in a way that they'll actually approve of anything you actually put up. You actually make it short and sweet. Don't use just words. So you actually check after you finish your script. Check, like, go through it. If it's not really okay, you actually rewrite it, make it a little bit better. So this is an example of how a script should actually look like. Put up the photos you're going to use, the description, what it's actually about, which is the audio, and then the text. But what you actually see online are just the first one, the second, and the last one. That the audio is not really there, and you don't actually see anybody updating or uploading a script. It's never done. This is just for personal use. So the next is video publishing. So after you're done getting your script, what else do you do? Simply means you actually have to publish a video. So an example of a publisher is YouTube. Like it said there, YouTube is an example of a video publisher site. How do you publish a video? Just sign into your social media account, you upload the video, and you actually put up the settings. If you actually want certain people to see it, certain people not to see it, that kind of a thing. And then you select the video you want. So this is how you actually make a video now. I wanted to show everybody how it's done, but the application is not on this system. So on this side, we are seeing a media library. Now all of those stuff you're seeing there were not actually imported. Some of them were already, they came with the app. That's for most of them. Then you actually select. The first side you're seeing is supposed to be for, most of the time, this particular side is for overlaying. Anything that is actually put up here is for overlaying. It's not really, it's a sort of background on its own. Then this side is actually where the main pictures are actually put. The pictures you actually want, which is stuff like this now. And this is for your sound. Anything you actually want to put, either it's actually voice recorded or just a music or a normal sound, an instrumental, something. So this is where it's actually put. Most of the time, in this effect, what's called library, is actually where you take anything you actually need, either the picture, the sound, whatever. You can actually import, or whatever you want might be in the app that you're using. So what is video promotion? Simply a video that actually tells people about your business. So a professional video is not a business video somehow. Like what you're trying to do, you're not trying to say this is about me, but you're indirectly saying it is about me. So that's like the best way to actually promote a video. You don't actually have to put up everything concerning yourself and the rest of them. That just makes people look interested. It's like everything is about you. So you actually have to look for something that will draw people's attention to that video. Because there are most of us that actually you pick up your phone and you actually want to surf the net and you just see a video. Something must actually like catch your attention before you click and then it opens up. So that's what a professional video is supposed to look like. Something that actually make people, like entice people to actually click. So it shouldn't be something that is really about you, but it should also be something that is about you. So it's a bit tricky. So best ways to promote social media videos. Your video title, definitely, what is this video about? Then your video tag, the tags actually comes up when you want to upload the videos. Because when some of us, for example, when you actually want to upload a video on Instagram, most of us use hashtags. Hashtags are supposed to actually make other people that use hashtags to actually locate you. They may not really know you in the sense, but a particular hashtag that you might actually use that people will search for will make people actually see some of your pictures. So that's what the video tags is about. Then you use a good thumbnail. A thumbnail is just simply a small picture, like something, it's just a very small picture, and it's supposed to be clear, it's supposed to be good looking, it's not supposed to be blurred, because there are some pictures you actually put up and after you actually put it into a design, it's like too blurred, too small or something. So you should actually look for something that is going to be very okay. Then you use an intro, outro for video branding. It's either you're putting your logo when the video is starting or at the end of the video, and then you simply put it up in your social media account. The use call to action is going to be added on your text, not in the video itself. Sometimes it can be added to the video itself, but most people actually prefer to put it on the text after you're uploading the video. So the purpose of promoting videos are to promote a product or services, and more indirectly a company, like I was saying before. And the quality of your video is going to reflect on your company. So I actually make videos for Bancom ICT Solutions. We are ongoing kind of, let's say, a campaign of some sort. It's called Make It Work For You. So when I finish making that video, the quality is like so high. Like the MB is sometimes is about 45 MB, and if you can imagine uploading that kind of a size of video online is like, it's too much, because you actually have to consider the fact that people might also want to download, and they will not actually have that kind of data amount. So what you need to do is you have to compress it. Now the compressing is where the trick is. The more you actually compress a video, the more the video loses its quality. So a video might be very good when you actually finish like the normal stuff, like I showed you earlier, the editing app something. You save and it's like 25 MB, and the quality of the video is looking so bright, so neat, like it's looking tush. You'll not even know it's somebody that is just someone that is starting that just did the video, because the quality of the video is nice. But then when you now compress it, the video is looking all tattered and the colors are so bad, and you'll be like, which kind of video is this on? It's just too bad. So what you're supposed to do is you go online to compress, but you shouldn't actually pick a kind of compressor that will compress the video so low that even the quality of the video is reducing, like just showcasing that clothes, just showcasing the cloth line. So what I need to do is to like figure out the exact thing I actually need to put up in the video, which is the content. That's why we need a video script. So I try to think about my video script, put it up, look at it. I cannot. What do you actually think about something like this? The person might not really know what I want to use it for, but if you say this is like a script, like I just want to write about it, but are these topics, like these lines, are they actually good? The person will tell you. because it's actually okay. You guys just saw what happened, like a kind of small blocks like popping up. That is what the transition is. That's like one type of transition. So let's start from beginning. I really want everybody to pay attention. So you just tell me what your take is. Okay, so that's it. Now before we actually start, the first thing is, the first condition to this video was it has to be 30 seconds. Like it shouldn't be more than 30 seconds. It's actually 30 seconds or less. So we are looking at 25 to about 29 seconds. So, does anybody have anything to say? Like, what do you think? Is it for that? This is like 29 seconds. So, what do you think about the content, the readability, the design? Does anybody have anything to say?
I think that better as a screen capture and voiceover.
Sorry?
So I think it's that better as a screen capture and the voiceover.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, just okay. So you're saying, okay, what if you want to use what's it called? A sound, more like it. Like the video actually has a sound, yes, but it's okay. Anyone else? Okay. Okay, so is it the same thing you wanted to say? Okay. So any other person?